In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a budget with Monarch Money. If you're new to budgeting, don't worry, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a comprehensive budget tailored to your financial needs and goals. First, let's get started by heading over to the Monarch Money app. Once you're logged in, navigate to the budget section. This area will serve as your central hub for managing your financial plan. If you're using Monarch Money for the first time, click on the Create My Budget option. This is where you'll lay the foundation for a budget that aligns with your unique financial circumstances. Next, move over to the settings located in the upper right corner of the app. Click on Start Setup to begin personalizing your budget settings. This setup process is user-friendly and is designed to help you input all the necessary information efficiently. One useful feature is the ability to add groups. This allows you to categorize and organize different types of expenses or income streams. Once you've set up your groups, click Continue to move on to the next step. Now, you will need to make a choice. There are different budgeting methods available in Monarch Money, and for this example, I'm going to pick one. But feel free to explore the options and choose the one that best fits your financial lifestyle. After you've made your selection, proceed by clicking Continue. Next comes the variability step. It's here that you'll specify the variabilities in your fixed expenses. Click Continue once you've entered all the necessary details. This is a great opportunity to reflect on how consistent or fluctuating your fixed expenses are. In the fixed expenses section, you can type in the specific amounts. This part is crucial as it gives you an overview of the mandatory expenses you can avoid each month. Once you've filled in these amounts, click Continue to proceed. Throughout this setup, you can also select the frequency of your expenses, whether monthly, quarterly, or annually. You'll also have the chance to set target amounts and monthly budgets. Enter your numbers here and continue through the prompts. Finally, when you've completed all sections, you'll be prompted to click on View My Budget. This will take you to a comprehensive overview of your budget. Here, you can see all the details you've entered, which enables you to track your income, expenses, and savings goals effectively. Congratulations, you've successfully created your budget using Monarch Money. Remember that budgeting is an ongoing process, and it's important to review and adjust your budget regularly to reflect any changes in your financial situation. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful as you take control of your finances.